they cheat. Time up now, it's over.
I drop her.
No. She must surely go.
4 years ago, if I catch my wife, they cheat 4 years ago, I might actually kill her.
Well, I feel save the marriage, but the guy don't die anyways.
That's a big question. Well, it depends. I feel pardon the person because we always offend God, and God said He pardon us. So it depends.
But right now, if I catch my wife, they cheat, I won't have a choice than to forgive her.
I can't accept her. She has shit on me.
She must. By saying by myself, it must surely go. Unless by rumor, then I cannot do anything. But when I see it face to face, then nothing, no remedy, she must surely go.
And I clear that man for you.
The man clear and straight. He will surely go. He will surely go. I
know that man to see something, you understand? That's like I talk. So he gets eyes on men.
But wait,
some men
let's
no, wait, we go. You get eyes on men that follow the wicked. You they correct somebody something.
No, but wait, make me analyze
with some decent sugar.
See, when they go teach people money, they take some notes. No, they go pack.
Shakara, make one analyze them. You come back from work, hungry, they catch you. You enter your house. You just go straight to your. You just hear wow. You enter inside your bedroom. You open the door, now you see one guy.
And you know, say that one, that
one guy
that one might be even worse. Now, if you catch your wife, they cheat. Maybe it's for hotel. It's different from your bed.
Your bed.
You understand?
That
place be like your Emirates Stadium.
You understand? That one they vex you. That one,
like
you
how you go feel. Say you enter your house.
If you want to even kill the person, because if you know yourself, you understand. I watch this Obsessed with Beyonce act some what time again some days ago. The way that girl they too disturb the husband. But then she go they break into their house. Come break the house. Come wear the man's shirts. They know the house, so just they obsessed. Come put flower on top bed. Come lie on top the bed. For her mind now, you understand? Like that's what that lost thing of yesterday. She don't die. You understand? When people say come inside the house, that one, she said no, say, oh boy, this one.
Okay, now let's maybe take him like this. We'll take him like this. Now, let's go into the angle of can you save the marriage?
It is, see.
Let's really talk about
that's
that.
That's why I was telling you, I say, look, you see, in Nigeria, you understand, basically, because of, say, first religion, like you talk, even tradition says, say, say, because of maybe shame of how to go back village, all the rest.
And then profession again.
Profession even follow, in fact, the whole society at large. Children now always a binding
for factor.
Then, if you add the last one, when as a man or a woman, when you catch your partner, when you don't go sit down and think first, you can't remember how you really love this person. So love now if you come later, now can you play another factor. Out of all these things, where me I don't mention so now love, I won't even carry cold first. Leave children, leave the rest. You know, love nothing make you to say
no, I love they die now. That's see, no matter how you love person. Let me tell you, monopole for my talk this thing. Ugo, no matter how you love woman reach, the moment you come, you see say man, the fire now.
Your mind go change.
You know how they carry water pour for fire?
You go just
with the quench. Now that's what that does to love.
Thin line between love and hate.
So love, I try to counter you for that thing now. Love no fit come to play. At that point, when you catch your wife.
That's I'm asking you so, but no,
immediately,
yes.
Immediately, no. Immediately, no. Immediately, you are angry, you are mad, your head they blow and everything.
Even later, now your children, family, all those things.
Okay, more put on like this. Love like this.
So you're not saying in the marriage now, not for love again, but for the children.
Yeah, a lot of people now.
So then that means you now. You now will be the husband. If you see, you are trying to, what you are trying to say now is that if you can't allow the babe still inside the marriage with you because of your children, means say you as you did now, so you feel not touch the babe again, then you go start to the crank outside.
Of course, now she opened the door.
Now yes, he opens it.
But what is the use of saying, okay, it better me you kuku no deal with woman again.
Oh no, let me tell you.
Many men need somebody that will take care of their children.
So what makes you think? What makes you think the next woman coming in cannot take care of your children?
No, let me tell you. Let me tell you.
Nobody will take care of your children better than their mother.
And let me tell you, Ugo.
You understand? Nobody will.
So what is now the use of you keeping the woman in your house when you see them suffer and you don't do anything?
Because
you
at that point for your mind,
you said one thing without saying if you catch your partner they cheat, whether if he save the marriage. If any man say he still one day with his wife for the same house after she don't cheat, he's not cranking how, but the other day he's doing it because he wants to save the marriage. And there are many men that are doing it today.
Then why save the marriage if you do not do other things that involve?
You're not getting the point.
I'm not getting the point.
No.
Saving the marriage.
Let me tell you something. If I am forced by society and religion, background, family, everything
to save your marriage,
to save my marriage, and I catch you neat where you another man they crank you, man, you're not gonna say you don't become house girl for that household.
Yes, nah.
You understand? Your work that need to just to keep money, take care of your.
Some men will not even tell you they cut you.
You don't gonna know.
They feed you everything, but they don't go even touch you.
No,
some men like that too.
That means you that one go.
Some men they wait, they don't like.
You need to let her know. You understand?
She must. You know, make sense when you catch person rather than you let them know say you catch her now.
Let me tell you guys, there are different ways where if you take kill person internally. You know what it means? Say as a man, you catch your wife. If they pay you, you understand? If you talk her out, if you even exchange, blow everything else. But when you keep her inside them, can't they frustrate her? She don't know what the reason.
Hold on, make we do this open on sharp. When we come back, we go see the talk the matter. They go not go anywhere.
Yes, I can. I feel save am now. Everybody they make mistake. Yes, I can.
No, at all. Why not? If really I love you, I'll save it.
No, I go divorce am straight.
Yes, of course. In Christianity, we can forgive anybody that offends you.
If he repent, if I see say he repent and he stop, you no continue again, I fit forgive him.
I fit now. I fit try small.
I fit save am because this life, no be say na everything good like that. Another person wey you wan try to might fit cheat on you.
No, I'm okay. The truth is, I no fit save that marriage. Depending, sha. If I love the guy, I go stay. But if I no love him, I go go. That's the truth.
If he get reason wey they do wetin he do, so he has to explain. If he have to give me explanation of why he dey do wetin he dey do. So if na me the fault dey my side, I fit correct myself.
It takes the grace for such marriage to stay, and it's not that most women cannot stand it, but it takes the grace for some women to stand.
Yes, now welcome back. Now don't hear every way our women them guys talk about. If you just join us, matter what they talk about today, and say if you catch your partner they cheat, you go save the marriage, or you go still save the marriage. Now, really, you know, say all these women talk plenty things. Christianity will save the marriage, will save the marriage, will save the marriage. The only one person say no, divorce. And most of them sit down on top love.
They get one movie I watch for Africa Magic. Now, whether these Kenyan people, those kind of their fame. You know, say two guys. I don't remember this now. Two guys, they go they knock person wife. And the woman, they know, like say they do threesome, you know, like that. So as that one they knock, that tell her will say, go get me water. That one say they knock. As that one go to bring water, the husband, where don't they look there since night, hold down for neck, strangle her. So now the husband come with acid for cup. Can't give the guy. I don't remember this thing. As he pass like this, the guy will stand like that guy now hold her. Because the guy carry the acid come say one pour there. You understand? But as that guy don't come say one bro, now he can't turn it inside cup. He can't stand. That guy they wipe. Then that guy maybe whoa.
You know, but you see, at this story where you talk.
See how the thing end. So as the man fall come out like this, now the wife turn, see the husband. Now the husband give her say, your turn. I swear.
You not go drink. Oh.
No, they still cry.
You cry, you go cry. But you see, sometimes I like that woman way say the man must explain to them. Sometimes I don't say we say a man's world. So in the day for woman, most women don't look up men to the cheat naturally. So
well done, woman.
Woman, well done, you try.
I'm a very
you try.
So
when they watch Pastor, don't they see show man, don't they confess? So we are the men.
Now
you know where you belong.
You
know where you belong.
I am not among the category of men where they cheat. Me,
not be cheat. You say we men.
Men to the cheat. So women don't know say they don't get choice. You understand? But how you want to handle situation where if you tell, I like that story where they talk for one papers last week where one man tell another neighbor make it crack his wife.
Your wife, yeah.
And that one crack
want me get better than
70 something times.
The guy is sharp.
The guy that sharp guy. They give her thrice every week. So you be like say, don't say, oh boy, this scene, you go the sweet oh. And you get called first time, second time. Now they continue. They pour the tea outside. They never go home and say, my brother, I've been paying you money. So most times, reasons they did for something, you have to really find out why. From a woman's point of view. But I know say most men, they catch their wife. There's no excuse. They know they feel Nigerian man.
But really, I believe say Nigerian time don't reach we say men go get that heart. Say, okay, what if for instance now you your wife catch?
No,
I see.
If now you your wife catch, how you go take Sam? How you go take feel?
No, but let me tell
let's
you.
face facts.
Most women know say men they cheat.
I believe no, no go that way. I believe say time don't reach.
If they catch you, trust they die.
Straight up, the same thing we guy too. If you catch your wife, trust go die.
But you catch you.
But you know say get many men we no say their wife they knock outside. They know, but they never catch them.
But they don't know.
Man, if your wife they get offended, now you they knock her, and now you, if except you know they get message upstairs. You understand? Woman where they sleep with every time. If she they knock outside, man, except to be Dundee, you must know.
So you thought say it easy to know when a woman they cheat?
Not be say easy. No, it's not easy. Now you need to use your head. If woman they cheat, as far as say she they cheat, as far as say another person they knock that thing. No, show man leave that.
I don't get time again. My time don't go. Like I really don't get time, and I believe say we supposed really dig deep into this matter. Maybe we go look how we go take to invite some kind. We go try follow them, talk the matter again. Now in one word, you go save the marriage.
Yeah, love conquers all things. So,
Chakarango.
I will not save the marriage. Even if I save the marriage, she will become house girl. She won't know.
I just want to tell you now, say the most important thing, we know they encourage cheating. Stick to your partner. It is very, very important.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make sure sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.